it on the table.
Okay.
Daddy, tea time.
Come on.
Hello, my name's Philip Barnes, and I'm going to write a story. But... Philip! Coming!
I've helped Mom make the cookies.
Yummy.
Yeah, Mom's always been a great cook.
Thank you.
So, Philip, how's it going with the story?
I'm not gonna do the competition, Dad.
Why?
Because I don't know what to write about.
Well, why don't you write about something you like?
Something I like?
How about dinosaurs?
Yes, you like dinosaurs.
Yes, why not?
But what exactly can I write about?
A dinosaur adventure, perhaps. Wait, I think I've got something for you. This one, and yeah, this one. Philip, see if you can find something interesting and useful from these books.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
Have you finished writing your story yet?
Almost. I think it should be done by tomorrow.
Wow, you work really fast.
Yes, you do. By the way, Philip, after you've finished your story, remember to check it very carefully and make sure there are no spelling or punctuation mistakes.
Okay, Mom.
You're just like me, Philip. I used to make all sorts of careless mistakes.
It's because I'm your son, Dad.
Don't worry. Let's check it together, shall we?
Yeah, and this one.
Look at this one. The shell is so beautiful. Why are there so many shells on the beach?
I think the waves have carried them up onto the beach.
Why do they have so many different shapes and colors?
Why do you ask so many questions, Laura?
Why does a dog always bark? Why does a rat walk in the dark? Can you please tell me why? Can you please tell me why? Why are there so many things I don't understand in the world? Why
Let's make something very special for Philip, shall we?
Yes, yes! A dinosaur! What next, Mum?
Next, we spread the tomato paste on the dough.
I think this will be delicious.
Why?
Because I've helped make it.
Yes, of course, dear. I hope Philip will like it.
Yeah.
Was it not Moby Dick that took off thy leg? Aye, it was that cursed white whale who...
And ran the flames of hell before I give up.
Yes, Philip?
I finished writing my story. Would you like to listen to it?
Great!
Once upon a time, there was a dinosaur named Morris. Morris was very big. It had green skin and black eyes. It lived in the woods happily. One day, Morris was wandering in the woods. After that, they went to the coast, sadly.
Why did it go to the coast? Why didn't it go to the forest?
Maybe you're right. Forest. The soldiers saw Morris and took their bows and arrows and tried to kill it.
Wait! Have they seen it before?
Good question. Then Morris became angry and ate the soldiers.
Surprised Morris ate the soldiers. I usually like stories where people use their ideas to win, not killing each other. We liked your story. It just needs a few changes. I'm sure you can make it.
Morris replied, "Yes, I will go to you whenever you call my name. And you are always welcome to play with me in the woods." And you are always welcome to play.
Philip, time for tea.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
How are you getting on with your story?
I finished.
Let me see. Apart from that, I think it's okay.
For me? I won! I won the first prize! I won! Dad, Mom, I won the first prize in the story writing competition!
Oh, that's
I won
great!
the
Well
first
done!
prize!
Oh, great. Congratulations! We're really proud of you, Philip.
Coupons to a shopping mall. They're worth $1,000 when they're put together.
Wow, that's a lot!
Yeah.
Can I keep it, Dad?
Yeah, of course you can. Just remember to spend them on something that you really need.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks. Can you guess what I'm going to spend these on? I'm going to buy everybody in my family a present. I think the prize belongs to them, too. Dad helped me write about dinosaurs. Mom helped me with the checking. And Laura gave me some really good ideas. Dad enjoys reading, and he's planning a trip to China. I think he would like to read this. Dad thinks it's not convenient to carry coins around. Whenever he has coins, he throws them into a jar. He may find a coins bag useful. What will Dad prefer, a coins bag or a book? This may help Mom with her groceries. Wow, this one is beautiful. Mom may like to add this to her collection. Will Mom prefer a bottle of perfume to a cart? Laura may like to have this apron. Laura may find the answers to her questions by reading this book. Laura will prefer a book to an apron, won't she?
What's going on here?
Thank you.
Wow, my favorite chocolates. Are we going to have a surprise party?
Yes, we are.
Why are we having a party?
To celebrate because we won first prize.
We? Why we? You're the one who won first prize.
No, all of you helped me write the story, so the prize belongs to all of us. I bought these with the coupons. This is for you, Mom.
Thank you.
Here, I got this for you, Laura.
Great!
I knew you'd like this, Dad.
Oh, thanks, son.
Oh, I love it. Thanks so much, Philip.
Wow, it's beautiful, Philip.
Hey, it's exactly what I wanted. Philip, it's so nice of you to buy us all presents.
Yeah.
But what have you got for yourself?
Well, I've got all of you.
Come on, let's have something to eat.
Yeah.
Can you guess what I've got my mom, my dad, and Laura?
Philip, come over here.
Got some Coke?